Hello, my little stars. I'm Miss Fatma. Hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. Meme, meme, meme. Noon, noon, noon. Wow, wow, wow. Hey, hey, hey. Hamza, Hamza, Hamza. छोटी ए बड़ी ए, छोटी ए बड़ी ए, छोटी ए बड़ी ए. Let's read again. Meme, noon, wow, hey, Hamza. छोटी ए बड़ी ए. Okay, stars. Hope you learned very well. See you in the next class. Bye.